Namaz or Salah is not just a ritual, it's the spiritual heartbeat of a Muslim's day. But what exactly is Salah, and why is it so important in Islam? Meaning and definition. Salah, also known as Namaz, is the obligatory prayer performed by Muslims 5 times a day. It is one of the 5 pillars of Islam and a direct way of connecting with Allah, God. The word Salah in Arabic means connection or communication. When is Salah performed? There are 5 daily prayers: Fajr, before sunrise Dhuhr, after midday Asr, in the afternoon Maghrib, just after sunset Isha. At night, each prayer consists of a set number of units called rak'ahs. Why do Muslims pray? Salah is a command from Allah, mentioned over 700 times in the Quran and Hadith. A way to remember and thank Allah, a source of peace and discipline, a moment to seek forgiveness, guidance, and closeness to God. Indeed, Salah prevents immorality and wrongdoing. Surah Al-Ankabut 29:45. The preparation. Before praying, Muslims perform wudu, ablution, to cleanse themselves physically and spiritually. Facing the Qibla, Kaaba in Makkah, they begin the prayer with the intention, niyyah. What happens during Salah? Salah includes standing, qiyam, and reciting Quran, bowing, ruku. In humility, prostrating, sujud. In total submission, sitting, tashahhud. While making supplications, every movement and word is meaningful, reminding the worshipper of Allah's greatness, mercy, and our dependence on Him. Final message. Salah is more than a duty. It's a gift, a chance to pause, reflect, and recharge your soul 5 times a day. It keeps the heart alive and connected to the Creator. Want to learn? Subscribe and stay tuned, or share this video to help others understand the beauty of Salah.